My name's Tim Rycroft, Key Account Manager at GCL Limited. Formed in 1998, we're electrical and structured cabling installers. The AEM Tester, primary reason for it is cost. It's significantly cheaper than previous testers that we purchased. And the functionality and the capabilities of the tester is on a level with our previous testers. You have your teething problems. The engineers do have little issues with it. It's not the same as the previous testers, but once they've started using it, going through the test procedures, they've picked it up quickly. In the grand scheme of things, probably 2-3 days to start to familiarise themselves. After that, they get quite comfortable with it, and yeah, it's the same as using the previous testers now. The dual screen, so you've got the screen on each end of the tester, the main and the remote, is coming very handy. It means that you're not always going back to the engineer with the main tester. They can both see if there's faults, where the fault is, without having to stop, go off and then liaise. The speed of the tester as well is a massive difference to previous testers we've used. It creates, it enables us to be more efficient when we are doing the testing procedures. The support behind AEM is very, very good. The engineers don't have to liaise with management within GCL. They can go directly to the support teams, the phone numbers, emails. There's various methods of contacting, and the response time is very good as well. So far, we've only used the testing for Cat6A and Cat6 structured cabling. We are looking to, in future, use the other functions that are available in the AEM tester. Quality is very good. Yeah, it's well made. The case, all the other components that come with it, all very good. Easy to use, easy to carry. Yeah, it's very good. Previous testers, yeah, they are good. Obviously, they are slightly different. They're all heavy. Can't get around that fact. But yeah, they're equal to or better than previous testers that we've used. We would recommend AEM testers moving forwards.
Hi, I'm Gavin. I work for GCL. I've been working with GCL for the last 20 years, and I'm a supervisor. We recently done a project where we was testing, validating cable before we started the project. It was 7,000 cables. What we found on the performance of some of those cables, with the other tester which we were using, it would take a longer time to get the result. When we was using the AEM tester, it was taking half the time for us to complete that test, which obviously is then cutting down a lot of our hours on our work.